Good evening. Myself Ashal Dabre, along with my teammates Avin Dabre and Satvik Pereira, will be demonstrating a third year mini project under the guidance of Sushma ma'am. Our topic is DragNative, a VS Code extension. We often see that mobile app layouts in React Native can be tough and time consuming. Developers have to write a lot of code just to see how the screen looks, and even small changes takes quite a long time. Even in scenarios such as hackathons, where main priority should be given for feature development and backend, polishing the UI is just as important, but it takes quite a long time. Here's how DragNative comes into picture. DragNative makes it quite easy. It's a VS Code extension that lets you drag and drop UI components onto a canvas automatically and even generates the code respected to it. This helps developers design screens faster without switching to various tools or writing the code from the scratch. Now, so this is the home page that you will be seeing as soon as you install our application from the VS Code. You can even scroll down to browse recent templates. If user wants to take motivation or design new generation from these templates, he or she can view it. You can click the templates. It will redirect you to similar templates. Now, on the home page, as soon as you click on the Start Designing button, the design for UI elements appear. Here, on the left hand side panel are the various components you can drag and drop onto the canvas. You can even add pages as much as you like and even delete them. Suppose I want to drag and drop this drawer onto my canvas. As soon as you drag and drop it, the functionality is available. You can modify it in real time. Even you can customize it based on your likeness. By clicking on the preview button, you can see the changes applying dynamically. By clicking on the show code button, you can see that this is the code generated for the component that we have dragged earlier. As told earlier, you can also add pages onto the canvas. After deploy, you can either save it, rename it as per your choice, and it will be saved on the direct gallery automatically. We have also provided user with options such as export the code and deploy it to the Netlify. Export the code will directly download the TXS file and the deploy it will directly connect it to the Netlify. As we can see, by clicking on the deploy option, your site has been directly redirected or connected to the Netlify option. Now, along with drag and drop functionality, we have provided the users with various other features. Let us browse them one by one. Now, as soon as you click on the gallery button, it will show you the recent designs or the templates the user can browse or take motivation from. Here, the previously stored design will also appear, which you can edit it as per your choice. Next is the Generate UI function. By clicking on the Generate UI button, it will redirect you to a page of UI generator. You can type in any prompt you want or any web page or app you want to design. Suppose Suppose I want to design a website for food delivery. By clicking on the Generate UI button, the app or website as per your choice will be generated in the preview option. You can even browse the code of it by clicking on the code button. Now this code can be exported or downloaded as per your choice. For this generation, we have made use of Flux model from Hugging Face. Next is the visualization option. This option helps user to create various visualizations such as flowcharts or graphs or mind maps. Suppose I want to create a visualization for coffee making process. I can just create anything or type anything from onto the text box or select from the by default ones. It generates, you can select a theme whichever you want. You want a light theme, dark theme, or gradient blueprint type, and it generates a flowchart. Now this flowchart can be edited. You can add node, you can name it as per your choice. It will be saved automatically. By clicking on the save button, it will be saved. You can also download it into the PNG, JSON file, or even copy it directly from here. Next is the basic documentation feature. It helps you generate documentation for various options such as modern, technical, even your GitHub README file can be easily generated here. We have provided user with various options or basic sections that basic documentation required. You can also add a section here as per your choice, and you can see it is getting applied in the real time. Whatever changes or whatever document or you have written will be auto saved real time. So even if you go back and visit again, whatever text that I have entered previously is automatically saved. No need to worrying of the data getting lost. Now this preview you can directly copy or download it and import it onto your GitHub or wherever the documentation is required. You can even change the theme as per your choice. Undo and redo option is also provided if you want to edit any documentation or any text onto your website. So that's it. This comprises of overall a DragNative application. Now let us see how exactly you have to download from the VS Code and how it will function in the VS Code application.
Extension that we have made alongside with our web application for VS Code DragNative. So this is the main code for our extension.js file, which has the main functionalities. We also have a sidebar provider, which will basically display a sidebar icon for our extension here when we open up the test servers. Then this packagization with all the bindings. Then this is hard.svg, which is our icon in an SVG file. So I'll quickly run the extension and show you how it works. So to run the extension in VS Code, we have to press F5, which will open up the test testing window for VS Code extension. So so this is how it works. Okay. So this is a new window for our extension testing. So as you can see, this is the sidebar, and this is our extensions icon. When I hover on it, it will read drag native. So I'll just quickly click on it. So after clicking on it, it will open up a new button. So when I click on the button, it will show our extension. Take some time sometimes. So this is basically our extension in which we get a window to make React Native UI modules. So I will show you a quick demonstration. So this is a model you can open up and then to edit this. So it will read the model. Then this is the editing panel, which you can edit as you like, appearance, then typography, everything. There's the layout and position. So this is same with every other UI element. This tooltip drawer. So you can also add another page to make another design. Then if you I'll quickly show you where the code is shown. You can first export and deploy this code. So there's a show code icon which shows the code of each and every UI model. So you can edit however you like, and you'll get the code in your own React Native program. So this is not a deployed code. This is just a testing server which is provided by VS Code to test your extensions. So
By clicking on the